Na 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 na. Whoa! Wow! So many animals, beautiful and different type of animals, guys. Wow! Horse, lion, cow, chameleon, and beautiful dinosaurs. Wow! So, guys, I will collect all this into this basket. Let's start collecting. Wow! Horse, brown horse, beautiful. And whoa, wow, dangerous shark. And whoa, wow, this is a green color frog. And whoa, wow, this is a lion, the king of the jungle. And the next one is wow, chicken, beautiful chicken, guys. And wow, lobster, this is a sea animal, beautiful lobster, guys. And the next one is whoa, wow, crocodile, very dangerous crocodile. And wow, tiger, beautiful tiger, guys. And the next one is whoa, cow, beautiful white and black color cow. And here we have white polar bear, beautiful white color polar bear, guys. And the next one is wow, dangerous cobra snake, beautiful snake, guys, big size cobra snake. And the next one is wow, camel, this is a beautiful camel. And here we have elephant, beautiful elephant, guys. And here we have wow, this is a zebra, beautiful zebra with black and white color combination. And the next one is whoa, wow, green chameleon, this is a type of lizard, guys. And here we have different type of 3 dinosaurs. Wow, look at this green dinosaur, beautiful, very amazing. And here we have oh wow, one more dinosaur. And the next one is wow, a very different type of unique type of dinosaur, guys. Like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys.